Why? I simply don't know. I guess I wanted to leave an impression on my ex-girlfriend. I have told people that I am raising two children, which is incorrect. Once a lie was told, I covered up a lie with a lie and a lie and a lie. I am just shocked of the way it got out of hand. I'm absolutely ashamed of it. I turned myself in. I received a 6-month extension. I wish I could turn back the time because I've really hurt a lot of people, and I've been thinking about everyone about this case. I would love to target each and every one of them. I'm really sorry.
That's a terrible noise.
Because he can't travel because he's on probation. So, Michael, thank you for joining us. I'm glad that you're doing this.
I'm going to go upstairs for a moment and show my mom something real quick. I truly believe that me coming forward is the only way being able to move forward in life.
Now, the things that you kind of made a list for efficiency's sake, the things that you admit.
5C20.
Marine sergeant and helicopter pilot.
I have to say, I've had that house for 5 years. I've had that house since 2013, way before all this happened. And the business card I didn't get till the end of July.
He told my supervisor that I wanted Monday off. Where did I say that I wanted Monday off and swap another day? Just in what I told you.